Okay, here we're on a new project. We got this beautiful mosaic marble backsplash to do. Came here yesterday, primed all the walls with a pay aqua defense just to get a nice bond with that, get a good surface to set on. So that's all prepped. And what I'm actually going to be doing here, it's going to be templating these walls. That way we just template the whole thing, cut it and set it. Goes a lot more efficiently and cleanly that way. So got everything prepped, protected here, good to go. So that's step one, prep. Then we do the template and then start setting. Okay, I got everything templated. Show you my template right over here. All hot glued together. I got everything marked out. I'm basically cutting them, putting them back where they need to be, so that way I know exactly how I can take them off of here, put them right on the wall. So I did the first piece, test it out, make sure it's fitting good. So we're gonna go with that. So I'm just gonna do basically one row at a time. That way, put them exactly back. I'll show you. So I'm gonna do when I cut it is, you know, I put the template here, okay, and I mark it with my pencil. For the thickness of the pencil, I want to take that out, so I'm gonna put the blade right on the line, not up to it over here, but right on it right here. And that'll give me my cut. If I go up to it, it's gonna be a little bit, the piece will be a little bit too big. Because you gotta remember, when you put your template on here and you mark it, the thickness of the pencil is gonna make it bigger. So I want to take that line out on this piece and this piece here. Show you how I'm going to do that. Show you how I do this cut now. So hopefully that's a good view. I'll make my cut now. There. Okay, that one's cut. Same thing with this one. Make sure you know what side you're cutting, but it really doesn't matter because you're taking the line out. We'll make sure we take that line out. Make sure we got any debris off of here. So that's my piece. So this is my piece. I always like to put on a towel, keep it dry, because the glue on the back of these sheets will actually re-emulsify and the tile will fall off. You do not want to be setting these one by one. So we'll bring these inside, put them back where they got to be. So the process will be the same. Let's keep cutting here, and then get ready and start installing it.